there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Snoopy as Mario, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started right in the middle of our page with our left eye. We're going to draw in an oval. We'll move across to the right hand side, replicating that. Top of both eyes, let's draw in another oval for the highlight. And now let's color in that pupil black. Let's come up for the eyebrow on the left-hand side on a diagonal, curving that down. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's come through on a diagonal from there. We're going to draw in a sideways oval for that nose. Now let's come up. Moving over slightly to the left for the nose. We're going to arch this line around, down, tucking that back in. As we move up, we're going to curve that out. And now we're going to draw in the cap. So on this line coming down, we're going to curve this line around, over and down. From that corner, curving this down, up and across, connecting it to this line. And then we're going to continue to stretch that over to the corner. Let's extend this line through. So we're going to extend this over on a diagonal again. And now let's close off the ears. On the left-hand side, arching this over, tucking this back through on the right. In the middle, on the top here, curving this around, following the shape of the ear, pulling that back through towards the top. Let's close off the hat. On the back, we're going to curve this around and in. From that point again, we're going to make this slightly longer, curving this all the way around and then down towards the front. Now let's draw in the symbol here. So we're going to draw in a nice big half circle. We're going to draw in the letter M on the top. We'll do the exact same thing coming through in the middle, replicating that. And then we'll just close this off with a diagonal line on the bottom, flattening that out. Let's close off the back of the head here, curving this down towards the neck. And then on the right hand side, we'll curve the neck down as well, ending that at the same height. Let's close that off with a curved line. Let's move up for the mouth. So coming over on the left hand side, we're going to curve this down, across, swinging that back up on the right. Now let's come down on the neck and we're going to curve this around and back in. Now let's draw in the body. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this down and in, leaving a small gap, curving this line across. Now let's come up for the arm. On the left hand side, we're going to curve this around, bending that at the elbow, bringing that in, and then moving across, leaving a gap, curving that back through. Let's close off the arm with a curved line from left to right. Stepping up, replicating that, closing off the wrist. Now from here, from that corner, we're going to curve this around and up towards the top. And then we're going to curve a small line that comes in. Let's draw on the hands. So on the back here, we're going to curve this line down for the pinky, curving this around and through. In the center, curving this back up. And then stepping over again, arching that in towards the top. Now let's draw on the overall straps here. So we're going to curve this around, bringing this up on a diagonal. On the right hand side, we're going to bring this diagonal line down, curving this over towards the side. In the middle here, let's draw in a circle for that button. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to flatten this out on the top with a straight line. Now let's come through for that right arm. From the top here, stepping down slightly, we're going to curve this over. We'll move down, replicating that, ending that at the same height. We're going to close this off with a curved line. We'll step down again for the wrist, replicating that. Let's move up for the thumb from that corner, curving this around, pulling that back in on itself. Again, moving down, leaving a small gap for the pinky, curving this around, and in. Now let's draw in that center finger. So on the top here, we're going to arch this around, down, and then we'll continue to curve that in underneath. On the top, just curving this around and through towards that thumb. Lastly, let's just finish off the legs now. So coming in on the back, we're going to curve this line in, ending that at the same height as this line on the left. And now for the leg, we're going to go draw in 2 diagonal lines. We'll do the same on the right. Let's close these off with a curved line. Now coming through on the back, curving this around and in. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left. Let's draw in the shoes. On the back, we're going to curve this line down and we're going to end this at the exact same height. Let's curve this line out towards the side. Now from that corner, we're going to arch this back around and in. We'll do the same on the other side. And now for the sole of the shoe, stepping up, curving this back through towards the back. And now for the tail, stepping over underneath the hand, curving this up. And then from that point, tucking that back in towards the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Snoopy as Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.